We just got a package. We just got a package. We just got a package. Wonder who it's from. It's a package from our friends! Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bree, and today we're going to do an unboxing for a brand called Ancient Cosmetics. So Ancient Cosmetics is a brand that I've never tried before. I was introduced to it by my cousin. She said that the products were really good. She's had great experience with it the first time. She's like,
cousin, you need to try it out for yourself. You need to buy some products. Just really experience what I've been experiencing.
That's what she said. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna take your word for it because I trust her. And I'm like, all right, let me buy some products. So I decided to go ahead, look on their website out there and buy some products. So I finally got the products. I bought them maybe 2 weeks ago. I got it sometime earlier this week. So I am now opening and I'm going to see the products for the first time. I mean, I know what I ordered, but just to see how the packaging comes, you know, the whole display and what have you. So before we get into the unboxing, I just want to give a few little facts about the brand, because since I haven't heard about it and I don't know if it's, well, I haven't heard about a lot of brands, so it could just be me, but for me, I just wanted to kind of do a little bit of research and just tell you guys what I found out via the internet and their website. So on the website, I actually looked up what their company is about, and it states, and this is exactly from the website, using the ingredients that nature provides, we strive to provide you with products that deliver the benefits that your unique skin needs. So on the website, it says it's a vegan product-based company, so everything is handcrafted, handmade, and it's actually a Black family-owned business. Shout outs to the Black families and their Black businesses. So I also read an article from blackbusinesses.com because I couldn't really find any more information other than what was written on the website. I wrote down a few notes. They stated a few facts. I'm gonna just give you guys a few bullet points of what this company is about and their background. So it did say that they were a Black-owned family business. In the article that I was reading, I noticed it was just 3 young Black men that are a part of the company. I'm not sure if there are any women, but it's really good and refreshing to see young men in particular being highlighted for something good, because it's always something in the news about men of color. It's made to seem like they're a monster. So I'm just really happy and proud that this business is a Black-owned business, like I said earlier. I don't know all the people that are behind this company, but the face of, or like the face of the company, or the picture that they used in the article was 3 young Black men. I'm gonna probably show it somewhere here, you know. I want to make mention that I believe the company started maybe 2018, 2019, because on their Instagram and in the article it says 2019 and their first post was from 2019. So I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say that the company was established in 2019. It's a pretty new company, but I've seen a lot of great reviews, and the company basically originated from the family being fed up of using harsh chemicals on the face. And I totally understand that, because sometimes when you're getting into skincare, not every product is for you. Sometimes the products can be harsh to your skin. I can totally understand that. So something that is vegan and plant-based and doesn't have any harsh chemicals to like break out your skin is always a plus for me. So they researched natural herbs and oils from ancient to present time. So I would just imagine that's where they created the name from, Ancient Cosmetics. I can only guess that they're using ideas from our ancestors and how any type of skincare routine was done, or what they used for the skin back then, and also added it to what skincare is today, present day, and combination or the combo of the two created their brand. That's my guessing. This company also kept people with sensitive skin in mind, because their products were built for or created for those who do have sensitive skin. I know there's many people with sensitive skin. My skin was sensitive once upon a time. So this company started from making their products out of their home. Then they moved to a retail like shopping mall, like a strip mall, and they have like a storefront. I'm not sure where the company is, but reading from the box, I'm pretty sure they're from North Carolina, because that's where factory is from. I'm only guessing. It doesn't say exactly. This company was built by millennials, and now it is a 7-figure business, which is great. That is awesome for us as Black people to level up and make something from the ground up. Now they're starting to look into a worldwide distribution. All this information I got was from an article from 2019, and I'm pretty sure that, like, what, 2 years later, I'm pretty sure that they have leveled up. They are doing worldwide distributions at this point. So that's just really fun fact. I also noticed there's some celebrities that use their products and are, I guess, like brand ambassadors, such as Ari Fletcher, Brooke Valentine, and Christina Milian. I at first was kind of like skeptical of buying products from like a site that I never heard of, because I'm just that person. Like, if I'm not too sure if I'm gonna get my products, I'm not gonna buy it until I know someone that brought the products, they got their products, and they have good reviews. That's when I'll go ahead. Even though I see celebrities backing a company, sometimes I just, deep down inside, I don't know what it is about me, but I just feel like it's not legit. Like, and that's with any company, like any like small like boutique or whatever that I see on Instagram or anything that's like Instagram based. I'm just super scared. So the fact that my cousin said it was good, she got her stuff, I believe her. So now we're gonna get into this unboxing. So this box is kind of heavy. I bought about like 6 different products, so I'm gonna open it. So the packaging comes in this brown standard like mailing box. Inside it has my shipping order and the items that I bought. So I bought 6 items. I don't remember what my total was, but I'll show it somewhere below, and I'll link all of the products that I got below. So if anybody wants to try this on their own, they can. First thing that I got was the Tropical Pineapple Body Oil. And that's this. So fruity looking. So pretty. I want to smell it. Oh, this smells amazing. It smells so amazing. It smells just like pineapples. Just like pineapples. This body oil contains safflower oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, and fragrance. So a lot of oils. And it says be generous, pour a few drops into your palm and massage into skin. So that is the Tropical Pineapple. I don't remember how much I bought this for, but I'm going to price the size underneath. Like, I'm gonna let y'all know. Then I bought the Even Skin Healthy Glow Face Scrub. That's this. It has castor sugar, turmeric root powder, lemon essential, frankincense oil, argan oil, safflower, liquid radish root ferment. I don't know if that's all one word or just 2 words, but yeah. Comes in this packaging. Smells like lemon, and it's crystals. So this is for the face. I'm excited to use this because I've never done well, I'm lying. I used to scrub my face with like sugar and like a little lemon. Like, I'll take lemon, put brown sugar, and like massage it into my face to get like the dead skin. And I haven't, since I changed my routine, I haven't done that in like months. My skin was getting, it was crazy. So I haven't done that in months. My skin was just sensitive and I couldn't do the lemon on my face anymore. It was a total mess until I got my own skincare routine. So there's that. Next we have the Tropical Pineapple and Bergamot Body Yogurt, if I spelled that right. If I pronounced that right, sorry. So that's this. I don't know what happened to my top. This is the lotion. It has aloe leaf juice, coconut oil, glycerin, emulsifying wax, stearic acid, grapeseed oil, fragrance, bergamot oil. Those are the ingredients. And to use it with more moisture than a regular lotion, lighter than a body butter, our new collection of body yogurt will have your skin feeling soft, fresh, and renewed. So this is how to use it. And this smells just like the body oil. And this also smells like Cantu. It kind of, I don't know if anyone uses Cantu, but it's smelling like Cantu. We then have the Hydrating Passion Fruit Body Scrubs. This has pure cane sugar, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, food coloring, fragrance, and liquid radish root ferment. Open this. This is a little bit bigger than the face scrub because I mean obviously with for your face you're gonna need a much smaller quantity. Oh, this smells so good. Like, so good. Oh, just for comparison purposes, this is the body scrub and this is the face scrub. So you see you don't need that much for your face. Then we have the Even Skin Turmeric Beauty Bar. And this is actually what I went to the site for. Even Skin Turmeric Body Bar. It has shea butter, olive oil, coconut oil, turmeric root powder, sodium hydroxide. A lot of natural products. The bar is like, I don't want to say naked, but the bar is in the box. So this is the bar. It smells like when I use shea butter. That's what I was just about to say. It smells like shea butter. And it's thick. These are so far 5 products. And last but not least, oh, there goes my top for my other lotion. I don't know if they were doing a promotion or I just got lucky or this is for first time buyers, but I got a limited 1 free Jasmine and Argan oil rich and creamy body yogurt. So it's basically the same thing as the earlier product, the other lotion. It's another body yogurt. I just got it for free. This smells good. It's nice and light and like fresh. This smells really good. And this has the same exact products as this body yogurt. Same exact products. Just the fragrance would definitely be different because this was tropical pineapple and this is jasmine. That was basically all the products that I got. So that concludes all the products that I received in my package. I am definitely going to use these products and come back with a review and let you know if it was worth the money. I'm going to link everything in the description below. All the products that I've all the products that I purchased. I'm going to link it in the description below, and I'll link the website as well so you can go through the website for yourself. If you're into natural skincare products, this will probably be the site for you. I've seen a lot of great reviews. I haven't read through all of them. It seems like a lot of people really like their products. A lot of people put great reviews and especially for the turmeric beauty bar. I heard like this is gold. Like I heard this is really good. And my cousin even said the same thing. She was saying, girl, like her skin was like feeling so nice and refreshed, and like you could see the dead skin coming off. So I'm really excited for this product because this is why I came to the website in the first place. I wanted to try out this soap that she was talking about because I usually use my Fenty. I want to really see what this beauty bar is going to do. And I know, like, I used to use black soap on my face, and black soap used to burn me a little bit, so my face is in a different headspace now, and we're gonna get it together because I do have a little bit of pigmentation. Can't see right now, but have a little bit of pigmentation. I want to see how great this bar is going to work for my face. So I'm going to do another video and essentially just review the products and tell you what I thought and what are my honest opinions in regards to these products and if it's worth the money. I can say that with any natural product, it's going to be expensive. Anytime you're doing anything that's a natural based product, their prices are always going to be a little bit more on the more expensive side because it's handcrafted, it's handmade, it's natural. So they have to, you know, do certain things by hand. It can't just be machine made. So I do know that part. And like I said, I will link all the products that I've bought in the description below. I'll also link their website. A lot of people just seem to really like their products. So I'm really excited to try them out and see what the products do for my skin. And I will definitely come back in another video and definitely talk about how I felt my experience was. So maybe this week I will just use these products and see what it does for my skin. I'm also going to use it in combination with my products just in case, you know, especially for the face products. Body products I don't really have an issue with. But just really gently put it into my skincare routine and just see. I want to really document the difference that I see in my face, especially with the turmeric soap. So I'm excited. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you will be updated every time I post a new video. Again, thank you for watching and coming back to my channel and supporting little old me. I appreciate it. I will see you in the next video. Bye!